Hello everyone, and welcome back to NextGen ICT. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about tables in HTML. Tables are used everywhere on the web to show student records, product lists, prices, schedules, and much more. In this video, I'll live code a table step by step, and I'll explain each tag slowly so beginners can follow easily. Don't worry if you're new. This lesson is very beginner-friendly. Let's get started. A table is simply a way to organize data into rows and columns. If you've ever used Excel or Google Sheets, you already understand the idea of tables. HTML tables work in a very similar way. Now let's start writing some code. First, I'm going to create the main container for our table. I'll type the table tag. This tag tells the browser that everything inside it belongs to a table. For now, I'll also add a simple border, so we can see the table clearly. Next, let's add a caption. The caption gives a title to the table and explains what the table is about. I'll type the caption tag and write something like student information. This helps users understand the purpose of the table at a glance. Now we need to create rows. In HTML, every row in a table is created using the tr tag, so I'll add a tr tag to create our first row. This row will be used for headings. Inside this row, we use th tags. Th stands for table heading. Table headings describe what each column represents. I'll add 3 headings: name, age, country. By default, headings appear bold and centered. This makes the table easier to read. Now let's add actual data to the table. I'll create another row using tr. Inside this row, we use td tags. TD stands for table data. This is where the real information goes. I'll add a name, an age, and a country. Each TD represents one cell inside the table. I'll repeat this step to add another row of data. Let's pause for a moment and understand what we just did. Table tag creates the table. Caption tag adds a title. TR tag creates a row. TH tag creates headings, and TD tag holds data. Every table follows this structure. Once you understand this, tables become very easy. Let me quickly mention some common mistakes beginners make. Forgetting to use tr tag before td tag, mixing up th tag and td tag, using tables to design the page layout. Remember, tables are for data, not design. We'll use CSS later for layout and styling. Now it's your turn. Try this. Create a table, add a caption, add 3 headings, add at least 2 rows of data. Pause the video and practice. This is the best way to learn HTML. Today you learned what HTML tables are, how to use table tag, caption tag, tr tag, td tag, and th tag, how to structure data properly. In the next lesson, we'll continue building real website features. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel. See you in the next video.